we got stuck in traffic over here on the way. Yeah, little takeovers happening, I guess. People are getting close, dude. We want in on action. When you get up right behind it, like I just fucking flying around.
Yeah.
Dude, we'll be see someone get smacked.
We start kicking the boots that wanna be top. Right, put that little boy in the heart. I gave us something, you know they gon' get it. Got ready, so right, start to plan. Niggas be killing like shut the fuck up. Like these hoes gon' make us act up. Keep knocking on ground like nigga get up. Keep knocking on ground like niggas ass out. Like they get their story. That house be so dirty. I'm burning like Curry. I shoot with the 30. We taking these back like they doing this. Some wrong niggas be moving like this. Let them feel fuck like you need a late trip. So get in my cup with this water. I'm sipping. My nigga they drop like bitch, spit it out. They nothing too short, so I see why they count. It's a good thing. The ops still slide down one ways. It's okay when I see him, it's gunplay. They're too scary to ball, cause you know we gon' foul. That nigga still call, he got like, wow, I love taking risks, I ain't worried about shit.
Hop on.
Let's get it.
Crazy. See y'all in a minute right now.
Beep beep.
We'll see y'all right now. Whoa.
Beep beep. We're on the road again. Should I go on the street?
Yeah.
Is this thing close or like you can?
Yeah, it's right there on the left. Nasty.
Jack, I'll never let you go. Car coming, don't go.
Go, go, go.
Just hit that back brake. He's a little pussy. Nice little view. We could, or we go this way. Yo, do something! Woo!
Walk our bikes down here and then go straight.
We're gonna ride our bikes down, Kyle. No, we're riding them down.
Down the stairs.
Yeah, we're riding them down. I'm riding them down.
You said you're riding it down?
Hell yeah. Ah, I hurt my butt. Make sure you stand up. You guys are sissies. Sissies. Fuck you guys. That shit is easy.
I can't believe you did it. That's fucking crazy.
Bro, I ain't no pussy. Five-O's pulled up.
We gotta go, we gotta go.